If you're looking for a free tool that's going to seamlessly transform your PNG images into sleek and professional PDFs, we have a solution for you. So Lashes AI offers free PNG to PDF converter and it's super easy to use. Let's see it in action. So upload your documents. And then you have some options. If you want, you can arrange the format. You can choose if you want it to be portrait or landscape, or you can arrange the margin size. And then by clicking this checkbox right here, you can merge all images in one PDF file. And remember, by clicking on the plus icon right here, you can always add new PNG images. You can individually rotate or delete the images, or if you want to rotate them all together, you can use this button right here. Okay, once you're done, click Convert to PDF. Okay, it's done. You can download it for free. So if you're looking for a free tool that's going to convert your PNG files into PDF, you can try Lashes AI's PNG to PDF converter. Go ahead, give it a try, let us know what you think.